Hi everybody, and thanks for tuning in to this episode of What's Cooking with Kimberly, where we're gonna make a little nosh, a little snickety snack for you to enjoy while you're lounging on the couch binge watching your favorite show. We're gonna make my favorite thing, nachos. Well, one of my favorite things. It's easy, so simple, and delicious. Now, you can make your nachos as elaborate or as simple as you'd like. Today, we're going for simple because we want to get it done. You'll need a frying pan because we need to brown the meat, a cookie sheet with 1 piece of parchment paper, your favorite tortilla chip, a bag of 3 blend cheese, ground turkey, your favorite taco seasoning, a can of crushed tomatoes, jalapenos or pepperoncini peppers, that's what I'm using today, and salsa. You can take these nachos up a notch by adding your favorite hot sauce. We're going to preset the oven to 375 and mix in our taco seasoning. And we are going to build our nachos here. All right, so I'm just going to start by spreading them out. I know you've been to restaurants before where you have nachos and you get to the bottom or you get to the last few chips and there is no cheese, no sauce, no meat left, no nothing. When I make nachos at home, I like to put them on a baking sheet on a flat surface and spread them out so that every chip gets covered with a little bit or a lot of deliciousness. Now we're going to add in our tomatoes. We're going to let it simmer, and once it cooks down, we're just going to take our spoon and spoon it on top of our nachos. We're going to get every inch of those nachos covered. No nacho left behind. We're going to add the cheese, and then we're going to add our salsa. Add as little or as much salsa as you like. I just want to make sure that there's a little bit on every bite. Now we're going to place our nachos in the oven. While those are in the oven, I'm going to chop my pepperoncinis. We've got nachos that have ground turkey, tortilla chips, cheese, salsa, chopped tomatoes. You can add anything you want to your nachos. I chose to go with ground turkey to make it a little lighter, but watch this. We're going to slide that parchment paper right onto our cutting board, right? Shimmy, 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 shimmy. Give that a little pull. Uh-oh. Here we go. And this is exactly how you're going to serve these up. Our last little addition, some jalapenos. Or pepperoncinis, whichever you have. Thank you guys so much for tuning in for this episode of What's Cooking with Kimberly. While I made some delicious, kind of healthy nachos because we use ground turkey instead of ground beef, just remember, guys, that if you're intimidated by the kitchen, this is such a simple recipe. Set a challenge for yourself to go into the kitchen this year and start to familiarize yourself with your kitchen, because at the end of the day, it doesn't matter what you cook as long as you like it. So I'm going to go in and have a bite of these nachos. Let's see. Hold on. Let me get a good bite. Oh, a good cheesy. The best part of cooking is sharing it with you, because you guys know that we like to eat, but we also like to share it with our friends. Thank you guys for being here. I saved this little spicy pepper for myself because, it kind of goes together. I love these things, pepperoncinis. So good. So good. So good. So good. Let me know what you think. Please leave your comments below. If you did anything differently to this recipe, I want to know what you did that I didn't do, because you can inspire me. Thank you guys for watching What's Cooking with Kimberly, and I'll see you guys next time. Honey, you want some nachos? Food's always better when it's shared.